Year 2000 Mazak QT250, serial number 146764 with Fusion 640T control, chip conveyor, coolant pan, manuals, Barfeed system. I'm not going to roll that down, but that cover comes down. We have it open. Spindle liners for the Barfeed, the machine. This is a plexiglass cover that was manufactured for this machine to cover the side. There is no lower side panel. The machine was used with a Barfeed. It's got a cutout that slides here to allow access to the spindle. The machine has a multi-tap transformer on it. It can be wired low or high voltage. Can't really quite read that very well, but it's a January 2000 machine, serial number 146764. Electrical cabinet, fans running, both fans. Axis drive, power supply. Heat exchange unit on the door. Cleaned out the filter. Have the back access panel off the machine, which is sitting here along the ground, just so we had access to clean the machine in the back. See back into the linear rails. Ball screw. You can see the back side of the coolant pan with the coolant pump right there. Chip conveyor again. It's a Jorgensen conveyor. Better look at the serial tag, and as it states, a little over 9,000 pounds. All the buttons, looks like they relabeled them after some of the things wore off, which is all quite clear here. Keys, keypad membranes in nice shape, mouse works, graphics are clear, and on the inside, pre-draw hydraulic chuck, tool eye, parts catcher, tailstock, 12-station turret. Got 3 boring bar holders and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turning wedges. looks like there's some leveling pads for it as well. Short program. Running 3,000 RPM. Spindle steps up. Speeds are at 100%, rapids are at 25%. Okay. We're going to bring the tool eye down. We'll touch off on each of the sensor locations. You're going to hear the air below. I'll try to talk loud enough so you can hear try to stop talking so you can hear the sensor beep. And then we'll move into moving the tailstock. And then we'll finish up by doing a manual indexing of the turret to each location in one direction, followed by moving it in the other direction. Tail body. We can index the turret. We'll go pick one direction, then we'll go location by location. Last thing we're going to do is the parts catcher, which you can see there's the rise and then the drop down again into the bucket. Works fine there. That's controlled through the panel up there, and then we have the foot pedal down here for the chuck open close. You see the jaws condense and then they open up. One more time. So I think with that we've got about everything covered.